The inverted hammer and shooting star are also reversal patterns that look identical to each other. Similar to the hammer and the hanging man, the key difference lies in whether they form in an uptrend or a downtrend. The color doesn't matter much in this single candlestick setup. To identify an inverted hammer or shooting star, here's what to look for. A long upper shadow, typically about 2 to 3 times the length of the body. Short or even non-existent shadow. Body appears at the upper end of the trading range, between the high and low. Color of the body is not as important. Let's go through the inverted hammer and the shooting star individually to see how they can be identified and how they can fit into your trading strategies. The inverted hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that typically forms at the end of a downtrend. What it signifies is that price is reaching a bottom level soon and may start to reverse. As you can see, the inverted hammer has a long upper shadow, a short or even non-existent lower shadow, and a short body. This indicates that buyers were boosting prices up, but sellers were able to force the price back down to close. However, since sellers could not close the price any lower and there is a small, even non-existent lower shadow, it indicates that those who wanted to sell have already done so, and the buyers could likely overwhelm the market soon. On the other hand, the shooting star is a bearish reversal pattern typically found at the end of an uptrend. What it signifies is that price is reaching the top soon and could possibly start to reverse. The anatomy of the shooting star is quite identical to an inverted hammer. Thus, we can see that the buyers boosted the prices up, but sellers were able to come in and overwhelm them to close the session at a much lower price. This indicates that sellers are beginning to overwhelm the market and a bearish reversal could be incoming. Let's now take a look at an example of the shooting star in action. In the image, we can see quite a distinct uptrend in the days preceding the formation of the shooting star, which fits our description of a long upper shadow, no lower shadow, and a body near the lower range. Where do you think price is headed from here? Recall that the shooting star is a bearish reversal setup, hence the price would be expected to fall from here. In this case, the price fell from 1.1230 to 1.09927 for a total of 220 pips. If this helped you understand better the topic, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video on Dragonfly and Gravestone Doji.